Hello friends, I'm coming back to you with a recipe that is rich, but not chocolate, my vegan matcha green tea cake. If you've ever been disappointed by green sweets that have lacked an earthy matcha flavor, I promise you that this is not that recipe. Be warned, this cake has been noted to be decadent. Let's get baking. First, allow all of your ingredients to come to room temperature. Prepare your baking tin, or tins, as well. In a bowl, place the sugar and softened vegan butter and cream until light and fluffy. Mix together the vegan yogurt and non-dairy milk. Stream the mixture, half at a time, into the creamed butter and sugar. Mix everything for a total of 2 minutes. It will look a little separated, but this doesn't affect the cake negatively. Sift in the plain flour and matcha powder. Finally, add in the baking powder and fold the dry ingredients into the wet. Be sure to scrape the bottom and sides as you do this. Pour the cake batter into your tin. I opted to do multiple shallow tins, but it should all fit into one 6-inch round tin. Bake the cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 24 to 26 minutes, or until the cake gently springs back when you touch it. Be sure to let the cake cool completely before decorating. I made this cake for a friend's birthday who said he, quote, wanted something different. He was happy with it, which is all I can ask for whenever I make someone a cake. Did this cake make you happy as well? If it did, please make me happy by liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more vegan cakes and baked goods. And as always, thank you for watching.